Hello my friends and welcome back to moving vlog number 2. Today it is Friday the 23rd of August and yesterday we actually got the keys for our new place. So I thought that today while I have a couple of spare hours, I'm just going to start packing up some stuff and taking it over to the new place. I'm hoping that this vlog is all about like packing and decluttering the old house, but I'm only going to be packing up the things that I don't need here right now. So obviously I need my bed, we need a lot of our bathroom stuff, we need a lot of our kitchen stuff, but the things that I know I'm not going to need for the next 2 weeks are the things I'm going to start packing up. Like I said, I only have a few extra hours today, so it won't be crazy, but I thought I'd still vlog it because I feel like this is fun and something I want to look back on. So right now my bedroom kind of looks like a war zone because I've started packing things up. Some things are shoes and stuff that will actually stay here and clothes that I've just not put away, but I have started packing up a lot of my like books and stuff. I've started clearing the shelves that I've got here. Obviously I'm not taking my plants right now. I also have this huge bag, like it's literally giant. My boyfriend actually put all of my Christmas presents in it last year to give to me, and I'm actually really glad I kept it because I think what I'm going to put in here is like cushions, like throw cushions and like towels and sheets and stuff that I won't need for the next 2 weeks. But yeah, I thought I would vlog this. So this is the current state of my room and hopefully it looks a little bit better and a little bit less disastrous at the end of this. Now I'm moving on to my study. This is like my study slash studio room. There's probably not like a crazy amount that I can take with me right now. I have all of this already like packed up, which is just decor and stuff. But I think these drawers here I'm gonna try and empty. I don't really want to take these drawers with me when I move, just because they're ugly and they're kind of falling apart as well. So I'm gonna try and pack up all the stuff in there that I don't really need right now and get that all sorted. Okay, so a little update. A lot of these drawers are empty. I still got my camera equipment in here. I think this entire side is empty. And then over here, I've still got all of my stationery because I still need to use that for uni. This is all like stationery stuff too, which I've still got. Makeup, which is still there. But then I have like hardly anything here. And then my Bible and stuff in there. So only really this one is cleared, but yeah. We're making moves and we've got 2 more boxes packed. Hey guys, it is now the 31st of August and it's exactly 1 week till we move. It is Saturday today and next Saturday we like officially move. We'll be like staying in a new house. Kind of crazy, and I'm still in that awkward stage of I don't really know what I can take to the new house and what I can't. But today I decided that I'm gonna take all of my plants over. Most of my plants only need to be watered once or twice a week. So I'm just gonna head over on like Wednesday to the new place and water them, and that way they should be fine until we actually move in. But yesterday I got all my plants out of their different spots around the house because I have quite a few, and I gave them a huge big water so they were all good, and I've gotten them ready to move. I've put some of the smaller ones in these milk crates and then I have some bigger ones over here. So I have quite a little collection, but it's not like unreasonable, I don't think, but I'm gonna go put these in my car and see how that works. Okay friends, I have packed the car. This is my boot. Got a bunch of them in here. Got a few more in the back seat along with some like clothes in a suitcase. Also got a bunch more clothes on this side of the back seat. And at the front here we have those milk crates. So full car, let's go. Hey guys, it is now September 3rd and it's Wednesday and we move on Saturday. So we're only a few days out now, which is kind of crazy. Last night I came home from uni and I just was in that mood to really clean and declutter. So I did heaps of stuff and I didn't film anything, which was kind of dumb of me. But I was just like, do you ever just get in those moods where you're like, I just need to clean everything right now? So that's what I did. In my office mostly, I like really cleared it out. This is what it currently looks like right now. So this is my wardrobe. Literally everything in here is gone apart from this little section that I've just got for the next few days, as well as on the shelves. All of this stuff is cleared out. All of these drawers, or most of those, apart from like tissues, are cleared out. All of these drawers, apart from one of them, is cleared out just because they're way lighter to move. And we've just made a lot of progress. So I'm going to do a load to my new house tonight when I go to my parents' house because it's kind of close to there. So I'm just going to put some boxes in my car and stuff like like that. But it's really getting close now. I'm so excited, but I have a huge assignment due this Friday, so I'm trying to make sure I also focus on that, which is not so fun. I'm also looking through the house for things that I could probably donate, like things that we don't really need to take with us. Some things I feel like we're gonna have to take and then figure out if it fits or if it doesn't fit or if it's gonna be useful or if it's not gonna be useful in the new house. But I think one thing that we can get rid of or donate are these cushions, because they definitely won't match the new couch or like our new beds or anything, and I've had them for literally years. So they're just from Kmart and Target, and I think I'm just gonna put them in a big garbage bag and take them to Lifeline or the Salvos or something. I'm really not sure about this bean bag. One of them is Skay's and one of them is mine. It definitely, oh actually it might match, I don't know. We'll probably take it and then decide that's like one of those sort of items, but we'll see. This stuff all needs to be packed still. There's so much stuff. The more I pack, the more I realize how much stuff I have. Is that normal? Because that's just what I keep thinking. The main area doesn't look too different. The only things that are really gone from here are like the little decor pieces, like all the plants and the canisters and, you know, little random bits and pieces like that, but nothing is too different. But I don't think I've showed you guys my bedroom in a little while, and that is pretty empty. This is just stuff for donations, but this is my room. It's pretty empty. All the photos are gone. That was like the first thing I did. Got my mirror, and then this is just full of some stuff that I'm about to film for my vlog, and then this is like the last like random bits and pieces that I have pretty much. But my throw pillows are gone, the photos are gone, all the decor is gone, anything on the walls is gone. All of my Polaroids that used to be here are all gone. If you want to see the difference, you can watch my room tour, because then you can see the whole thing all decked out, but slowly making progress. I have a huge assignment due Friday, but after that's done, I can really focus on moving, and I'm honestly so excited. I just want to be at home again and like have all my things where I want them to be, have all my photos up. Obviously that won't happen straight away, but I'm just so excited to move and just create a home again, because this just doesn't really feel like a home. Good morning, guys. Actually, it's afternoon now. It's like 1 p.m. But it is actually Friday and it's one day till moving day. We're moving everything tomorrow. So this is the last little pack with me segment. Well, maybe, I think, unless we find other stuff to pack. But majority of stuff getting moved tomorrow, which means gotta pack up everything. And I'm gonna do some more of the kitchen. We've just packed both George and I's car so full. My little Fifi is gonna struggle, but it's gonna be fine. We're gonna do a load to the new house, especially of kitchen stuff, mostly a few other random bits and bobs, but mostly kitchen stuff, because we can actually pack that stuff away into the kitchen, whereas stuff like our clothes or like other random things, we need our drawers and other storage things that we aren't bringing until tomorrow with the truck. So this is what my car looks like right now, so full. Gonna donate some stuff, take this stuff to the new house, it'll be great. This is what George's room currently looks like. My room is like not crazy empty, but still fairly empty. And Skay actually completely moved out yesterday, so her room looks like basically nothing, which is kind of sad to be honest. It's really like weird seeing her room like totally empty, and all the cupboards are like bare of Georgia and I's things. Some stuff is like Skay or Izzy's and they need to pack their stuff, but yeah, Georgia and I's stuff is like all of these cupboards used to be so full and they're pretty much empty. The drawers are like getting close to being empty. Like I said, some stuff isn't ours, so we can't pack it. But it is so hot, we are so sweaty, but I'm glad we're getting some stuff done because it'll just make our moving day tomorrow a little bit easier. We're now at the new house and the place looks like a bomb hit it, so that's really fun. I'll show you guys a little bit. This is the state of the kitchen right now. It's just boxes upon boxes. So our main goal for this afternoon is to just unpack the kitchen because we just don't want it looking like this. Like we can't use the kitchen like this. Whereas bedrooms and stuff aren't as necessary, but I also do want to do a little bit of my bedroom tonight because guys, look at this. This is just, that's ridiculous. Like there's just so much stuff. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so it's now 7 o'clock and my camera battery died, so I couldn't vlog, but we took a bunch of stuff to the new house and we've taken a few loads over since I've talked to you last. And my room is slowly getting emptier, but I still feel like there's so much to do. But it's like 7 p.m, so I don't have that much time. I'll show you guys what our garage currently looks like. It kind of like stresses me out how full it is. We never have stuff in here, like it's just usually the cars parked in here. So there's so much stuff. This is all getting ready for the truck to come tomorrow. We're selling our dining table, or I should say Georgia is selling her dining table. It just won't fit in the new house and we actually really want the house to be quite aesthetic. I know that sounds so stupid, but the table just didn't really fit our idea of what we're having. And we're not having a dining room in our new place because we're using the dining room that exists there as an office because we would just use that more often. But this is my current office and my studio, I guess you could say. I am kind of exhausted right now, but I have so much to do still and I'm working from 6 a.m. till 2 p.m. tomorrow and then have to move all the other stuff. So my plan for tonight is that I want to go to the new place and start like putting some stuff away, do the last load that I have in my car, and I want to maybe spend 2 hours there or so. Hopefully less if I can get more done. I also need to grab some dinner. I haven't eaten and all my food is packed. And then I'm gonna come back here, disassemble, take apart my bed, and then I'll be done for the night and have a shower. But I still have some coffee from this morning, so I'm gonna just live on that for the next little bit. Lighting is incredible. Oh, actually, I didn't even show you like the main part of the house. So this is this part of the house. We're taking that with us. That's the TV unit. This is Izzy, so she'll take that. The couches are mine, but we actually ordered a new couch. But we're gonna take them until that one arrives, and then we have George's friends, or George's brother's friends, taking them to do their own man cave stuff, so that'll be fine. I bought them secondhand anyway, so I'm really not sad to say goodbye to them. They're so incredibly comfy, but we just don't really need them in the new place because we've got a new one coming. Like I said, we're selling this. This will come, I have no idea where this is gonna go. We're gonna take this with us, and obviously this fridge as well. Yes, we do have 2 fridges. We're not gonna use both. We're gonna keep one in like the laundry / shed. Our laundry is kind of weird. I don't know if I've showed you it, but it's like not outside, but it's just like detached from the house kind of. It's easy to show you, but we're almost treating it kind of like a garage / shed as well. So we're gonna keep that in there for just like if we have a party or something where we need a second fridge, because usually we won't, but we'll take it there just in case. Otherwise, I might just take it to my parents' house and keep it there until I move out on my own or get married, where I won't have this fridge because this is George's, it's not mine. So that is the plan. Let's go. I'm back at the new house, and guys, this is a joke. I just unloaded my car and what the heck? Why do I own so many things? This is honestly ridiculous. I'm gonna start unpacking some of it and organizing some of it, but a lot of it I can't because it needs to go either in my desk drawers or in my like dresser for my clothes, or it's decor that needs to be put somewhere but hasn't got a place yet. So I'm just gonna see what I can do. I just built this little shoe rack from Kmart. It's the exact same as the other one that I have, except this one I got from an op shop and I spray painted it white. So I'm gonna eventually spray paint this white, but I just need it to be functional right now. So it looks a little bit weird, but that's okay. I'm gonna fill it with my shoes now. Okay, so it's now, what time is it?
9:15.
9:15, so I've been here for a couple of hours, which is really good. And I feel like I've got so much done, but there's obviously a lot to do. Like I said, I need to put a lot of stuff away in cupboards or drawers or on shelves or whatever that we don't have yet because we're taking them all in the truck tomorrow. As for what I could do, I feel like I've done. Here is a little update. A lot of it's not necessarily like put away, but a lot more organized. I unloaded a lot more of my clothes, set up my shoes. Still don't have enough room apparently with 2 shoe racks, so let's not talk about that. That's all clothes that are gonna go in my dresses when they arrive tomorrow. Then we have a Giorgio Louise. These are like sheets and stuff that are gonna go on my bed tomorrow, like fresh sheets, which I just wanted to be able to put straight on tomorrow as soon as we get that all set up. My mum always says that when you move, the first thing you should set up is your bed, because by the end of the day, when you're like actually ready to go to bed, the last thing you wanna do is make your bed, like put sheets on it and stuff. So I'm hoping that we can do that as one of the first things. And then this is kind of just like an organized mess. So this is all home decor. This is just my dirty clothes basket. That's all stuff for a haul that I'm gonna film for you guys soon. That's mostly like home decor and like my makeup. And then this is a box full of empty bags that I've just emptied. And this is our little toolkit for home. I need to bring the Allen keys home. No! Okay. I'm gonna get the Allen keys. We're gonna go home, de-assemble. I never know what the word is. Disassemble? Take apart my bed. Guys, I'm actually a handyman now. You should sign up for my, what is it called? My facilities? I don't have a brain anymore. I've been up since 5 a.m. This is not okay. I'm actually, yeah, a handyman now. Can you see? I got these Allen keys because I knew I'd have to take apart my bed, and I think I might have lost them, and these are like screwdrivers. So they're currently in our cleaning cupboard because where else do you put tools? Take these home with us and get on with our night. And I have to wake up at 5 a.m. again tomorrow to start work for an 8-hour shift. So excited. Hey friends, so it is now 10:30 and I'm finally finished for the day. It has been such a long day. I've been awake since 5 a.m. I got up and read my Bible for like half an hour, and then I got straight into my assignment, which I was working on until 10:30, and I submitted that like just after 10:30, so I was doing that for 5 hours straight. And then literally straight after that, I got into packing and moving and unpacking and organizing, and it is now 10:30 and I finally stopped. Like, I don't think I've sat down for more than like 20 minutes today. But I'm so glad with the progress that we made. It is going to be another huge day tomorrow, and yes, I am wearing Christmas pajamas. It is going to be another big day tomorrow, but I'm actually working from 6 a.m. till 2 p.m. I am going to ask if I can go home early if we're not too busy. I would really love to go home early so I can get some more unpacking and stuff done here. Georgia has her brothers helping us out tomorrow, and I have my boyfriend helping us out tomorrow, so it should go pretty smoothly, I would like to think. We have a lot of help, and we're also renting a truck, which I think I've already mentioned, so that will make the moving process way easier. I'm excited, but I'm also like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be such a long day. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I don't really know what is even in every single vlog. Like, I have no idea, but I hope you're enjoying these moving vlogs nonetheless. We have so much work to do at our new place, and I can't wait to turn it into a little home. But I hope you're enjoying this little series so far. I'm having so much fun, and I love our new home so much. I really loved living in the squad house, and this is our last night here ever, which is so crazy. We still have the keys to this place for a couple more weeks, and we'll have to do a bunch of cleaning and stuff, but we won't be living here. We'll be living in our new home, and it's so bittersweet because I'm so excited to move to our new place, but I've loved living here with my best friend. And when we moved here originally, we knew it would have to come to an end, but it's just kind of strange to think that it actually is now. So it's really bittersweet, like I said. I'm so glad to be able to be moving on to the next phase and have such exciting things coming, but it will be sad to say goodbye to the memories that this place holds. But my SD card just got full, so I really need to stop talking. And I really need to go to bed because I have to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow, and it's almost 11, so goodbye. I hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully really soon. Goodbye.